Okay guys, you're welcome back to the Bobby's Photography and my name is Adebayo. We'll be talking about how to retouch your eyes in few seconds on Photoshop. We'll be talking about the eye retoucher from the Bobby's Photography. At this point you can see what the portrait looks like, and I'm trying to zoom in for you to see details of the portrait eyes. Done our eyes enhancement on this layer, and right here we have done frequency separation, the dodge and burn, and the lips enhancement. Now you can see what the raw image actually looks like. So now let's return our frequency separation with dodge and burn and lips, and now you can see, let me zoom it in so you can see the eyes. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, good. Now what I want to do is for you to understand how it works. Now let me eliminate this layer. Okay, now I think I can flatten my image so we can get what we want to do. So right now all I need to do is come to actions and then go to load action. Okay, now I can go to my perfect eye retoucher, then click on load. Now it's loaded, so all I need to do is to do what? Click on the eye retoucher and click on the play. So we have our eye retoucher there. So all you need to do now is open up the group. Now come down to this layer where you have the paint white. Make sure you click on the layer mask and ensure to make sure that your foreground is white. Remember, black hides and the white reveals. So all you need to do is switch the foreground to white. Now I'm on white. Okay, then I would go on my brush tool, okay, and then click on the white. Ensure your opacity and your flow are both on 100. Okay, so just use that to brush on the white parts of the eyes. Okay, and so that's it. Look at the before and the after. That's it. And now to add light to the iris, you click on this layer mask and then you come over, reduce your opacity, reduce your size of brush, and then you click on it. You can see the lights. Okay, now you go on to the next layer. Click on the layer mask as well. Then we need to add light to the whole part of the iris. So you do this gently. Okay, then you come here again, you do the same thing. Good. Now you can reduce your opacity if you are not satisfied with what you have. You can reduce your opacity to a satisfactory level. Okay, so for me I think 67 is okay. Okay, then to darken the iris, click on this. Okay, then you darken, paint on the iris, and paint on the iris. Okay, and that's it. So you can reduce the opacity if it is too dark for you. You can reduce the opacity, and then that's all. And now you can go on to change the iris color. So just click on this layer mask and then you paint on the iris. You can see, and that's how to change the iris color. See that? So you can still go more. Let's see the before and the after. Now we can still add more beauty to it by changing the color to a suitable color. All you need to do is click on this, you double click, and then you move on the hue. Just watch me do that, and then you see it change. You can see it changing gradually. It's changing. You can see that. So for you, you can choose a satisfactory color. For me, I choose I really like to work with what the eyeshadow or the lipstick looks like. I like to work with the makeup, and that's why I had to do this. Okay, so I guess this is fine. Okay, yeah, this is fine. So you can see what the before looks like and then the after. So before and the after. So thank you all for watching. And do not forget to click on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so as to be very fast in getting our videos. And hope to see your comments as well as your likes.